Hello, Minister McKenna. Further to your request for proposals for action towards climate change, I would like to suggest that you initiate the adoption of the Ecological Footprint by Statistics Canada. Now, the Ecological Footprint is a measure of sustainability that also includes the carbon footprint. There's more to it. I've published a couple of academic papers on the subject, and I've been engaged with the Global Footprint Network for a few years, who maintains the ecological footprint. So it actually originated in Canada at the University of British Columbia a couple decades ago, and I'd point out the advantages of using this measurement tool. On top of it being able to measure tons of carbon or carbon emissions, that unit, that difficult to visualize ton of invisible gas carbon, is capable within the ecological footprint of being converted into two other units, which are global hectares. Now, for example, that's a land unit which can be shown on a map. So in the province of Alberta, the two major cities use approximately 100 times the number of hectares that are within their city limits, and that can be shown on a map. It's effective towards decision making. It can also be converted into planets, a count of the number of planets. Now, just to keep the numbers very simple, we do have one planet. According to the Global Footprint Network's calculations, we are now consuming 1.6 planets. Some people refer to planet B. Some people refer to phantom planet. It's a unit that does seem to intuitively catch with people, including decision makers. So yeah, the benefits of this measurement tool are that the units, it's available. The Global Footprint Network is very interested in it being adopted by Statistics Canada. It's currently being used by the Statistics Department in Switzerland, as well as consideration by other countries. And I would point out that if you want to manage something, you have to be able to measure it. So that's the primary message of the adaptation of this proposal. It would be beneficial to your department to be able to measure over time any conversion change in carbon emissions and be able to communicate those well by the use of the more user-friendly units of planets and hectares. So thank you for considering this proposal.